I've always had a fascination with flying, taking to the skies, being high above everything else and cruising at top speed. Well, right now, I'm about to live out a boyhood dream because today is all about learning to be a fighter pilot. I'm at Archerfield Airport for the fighter pilot experience, and the mission is to turn me into a Top Gun. But before I take to the skies in the real thing, I've got to learn the basics of flying in a flight simulator.
You ready to go? Here's your helmet.
I'm ready, I think. Now, this looks incredibly realistic.
Sure is. So these were actually used in the US Air Force as trainers before they got into the real fighter jet.
So where are we going to go today?
Well, today we're going to fly around Amberley, so our local airbase of southeast Queensland. We're going to take you up into the skies, do some basic fighter manoeuvres, and then we'll fire some of those missiles.
Stop and pull the trigger. So there we go, you've just launched 2 Sidewinder missiles and they're tracking the target. Can you see the explosion on the screen?
You beauty, dream fulfilled and mission accomplished. The simulator is a lot of fun, but this experience is about to reach new heights. I'll be taking to the skies in the real deal, an L-39 Albatross. Our pilot for the day is James Crockett, who during the week flies much bigger aircraft.
Well, the big Boeings have all the automatics. This is all manual flying, probably a similar sort of speed, but this aircraft is low to the ground and high G. So today we're going to be up around 750 kilometres an hour, pulling up to 4 to 5 Gs. So it's going to be a completely different experience to flying in an airliner.
Okay, Luke, you ready to go vertical like a fighter pilot?
I am ready.
All right.
Bring it on.
Okay, so here we go. 2G.
Oh, jeez, you can feel that straight away. Oh.
So what we're going to do now is I'm going to talk you through it as we do it. I'm going to pull back to 45 degrees. As we pull up, going through 250 knots.
Yeah.
Going through 10,000 feet. Roll. Next, you might do a big wing over this time. Here we go. Downhill.
And straight down.
300 knots. 350 knots.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're pulling 3 Gs there at the moment.
That makes you sit down in your seat.
Up into the vertical and gonna do a big wing over. Over we go. And the aeroplane will just fall nice and gently out of the sky.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. That is almost weightless. James, thank you so much.
Awesome, how was that? You enjoy that?
That was amazing. I tell you what, this is one of those experiences that you absolutely have to do. You will never experience anything like this, and it's a whole bunch of fun. If you want to live life on the edge or know someone who might, the Air Combat Centre Simulator and Fighter Pilot experience is one of a kind. Jump onto our website for the package details.